I got a new carnivorous plant. First, take a look at the general Venus flytrap. And here is the Venus flytrap I just purchased. The part that captures insects is very distinctive. When I saw this, I was very interested. At the same time, I was very happy to find it. Now let's repot this Venus flytrap. Take it out of the flower pot and wash off the old soil with water. When I was washing it with water, the plant was divided. At this time, I also removed the black dead briars. The plant is now clean. The divided plant is also washed with water. At this time, I also removed the black dead briars. The plant is now clean. Actually, I bought another Venus flytrap this time. Prepare for repotting as before. This time, I will use sphagnum for repotting. Put some sphagnum in the flower pot and make a dent in the center of the pot. Then, wrap the roots of Venus flytrap in the sphagnum. Plant it so that it is centered. Put the sphagnum in the gap between the roots and the sphagnum. I was able to plant it in the center of the plant. Then water the top and finish the repotting. Plant another Venus flytrap in the same way. Planting the divided Venus flytrap. I will make a video of the growth of Venus flytrap in the future. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give me a high rating. What kind of Venus flytrap are you growing? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.